Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another Stash Smash Saturday. We are working on, what week are we on? We are in week 25. We took a break in June and back full swing in July, so Rebecca should have some layouts for you as well. But I am still working with this Capture Life Allison Kreft from Echo Park back from 2014, I think I said. Yes, 2014. I have one 12 by 12 left. I have a bunch of, some sequins hiding in there. I have a bunch of scraps. This paper is kind of hard to me because it's like the same type of pattern on both sides, but I'm going to go with this one, I think. And I have a few stickers on the sticker sheet left. I've got this photo of my son and my sister's dog. So I have a decent amount of journaling I know I want to put on here. My son, when my sister got the dog, and then between raising my son, we definitely made comparisons to his energy level, his neediness, that kind of thing as a toddler to having a dog or a puppy. It was very entertaining. So my journaling is going to be kind of about that. But I wanted to do a page kind of regarding that. So I have some scraps. I was kind of playing with layout. I have to back my photo with 3+ mats is one of my, I could fussy cut that out, is one of my items from Rebecca, or Becky, I should say. If you guys haven't watched this before, so Becky and I decided that we need to kind of crush or smash those kits that we just have left over hanging out for a long time that we are just put to the side. Our requirements are ones that we have to use or keep using. So once we start, we got to keep using it till it's done. It's not killed or smashed until there's no 12 by 12s left, or you have no embellishments or nothing else that can create a layout. I like to hold on to my stuff a little bit longer. I have some collections that have just scraps and things. So she makes fun of me for that, but I started with this that I had only kind of dipped into this collection. But then each month we're also giving each other 7 different items that we should also grab from our stash to try to use up. And we have to use at least 5. So this collection came with pocket cards. So I have 1 pocket card left that I'm going to use on this layout. She also gave me hexagons, doodly lines, photo with 3+ mats, stamp title, older cut file, and sequins. So I'm not going to use the cut file or stamp title this time because my pocket card that I'm going to use has a title on it. And I was just kind of playing around, and it's this Let's Go, which doesn't quite make sense for what I'm doing, but it does. I don't know. I like it. So I've got my cut apart. I will make 3+ mats on my photo. I do have sequins out. We'll try and use some of those up. I'm going to fussy cut that out. I'm going to fussy cut that out. I'm going to try and use up more of these stickers that are on here. And I have these Dusty Attic hexagons that I haven't decided how I want to use them. Dusty Attic is a company from Australia that does raw chipboard. They make stencils. I have some of my favorite stencils I use are from them. I haven't ordered for a while now just because shipping and stuff is kind of outrageous, but they do free shipping, I think, if you order enough. And so that's something I might look into here in the near future if I need some more supplies, which of course I might. But I think I'm going to paint these. I just haven't decided, or maybe I should emboss them. Haven't decided what I want to do with them, but I think I'm going to use the thin ones, and we're doing kind of a diagonal design is my plan. So I'm going to go ahead and punch these out, and I think I'm just going to use the outsides, and I'm just going to use the outline, the outlined part. I don't think I'm going to use the insides, but I'm going to keep the insides for future use. So we're going to do that. I'm going to get my photo matted with some of these scraps. I'm going to fussy cut that out and kind of get my layout laid out the way I think I want it. And then I'll show you guys what I'm thinking. But that's my plan. All right, let me do a few things and I'll check back in with you. So I have successfully figured, I think, something out. So I went ahead and just took the small outline chipboards and sprayed them all with this Lindy's Moon Shadow Mist. This one is Golden Doubloons. I love this. It's so pretty. I just wanted something not necessarily super bold, but we're going to put those kind of on the diagonal. We'll see if we need more. So those are still drying. I've layered my photo a bunch of times with some scraps, so I hope that counts. And then I layered up the pocket card with this paper. And then this didn't get as big as I thought it was, and I started running out, and it just, what I had left wasn't working. So I took, is this a Heidi Swap thing, I think? Yes. These are storyline chapters, or these are storyline chapters. They were like kits, and they come with stickers and like all these tags and stuff. So I have some of these in my to use up to do. So this one has like a denim edge. I tucked the denim edge in, and then I tore it so it matched the bottom of this to make this my spot. My main focus. I fussy cut this out of that one card, and then this is fussy cut out from a different card. So I'm gonna glue this right here. And I think I'm going to pop this whole thing up on foam. So that way I can tuck some of those hexagons a little bit under if I need to. So we need foam. And then I have these leftovers triangles. So I'm going to put this one in this corner and this one in this corner. Layer those up and kind of, I think I'm going to splatter some of that gold on the diagonal here, and then we'll add the hexagons in a diagonal and the sequins in a diagonal. Let's see, pocket card 3+ mats, and then I'll add sequins. Oh, we need doodly lines, and we'll have our hexagons. Okay, the only other so I just need doodly lines or an older cut file or a stamp title. Well, I'm not doing stamp title or a cut file because I don't really want to add that to this. I don't see the need to add that to this. Okay, I never thought I'd say this. We finally got kind of like, our AC works, it just wasn't working as well as it should, and we finally got it like fixed, and I'm cold. I'm gonna have to go get a sweatshirt. Because of course my scrapping space is in the basement. It's always coldest in the basement. I just never thought I'd get cold. Before it was cool down here, but not cold. It is downright cold down here now. Downright cold. Guess I know my stuff isn't gonna melt. Huh. Nope. For sure not. We'll get this foam down, and then we just got to figure out the doodly lines. Let's see. I don't have like a gold pen. No, I was like, or do I? No, I don't. Let's bring some black out here. So let's just outline these. And some messy lines, shall we? It's pretty lame that that's all I've done for my doodly lines is some messy outlining. I feel like that's a cop-out, but that's alright. Ugh, that one was horrible. And this pen is like starting to wear out. I hope you guys can see this. I guess I'm just drawing lines, so it's not like what I'm doing right now is rocket science. added some more splatters. Hold on. Got this glued down. These should be dry, so we're gonna add them, and then we'll add some sequins, and I think we'll add, yeah, I think we'll just do some vintage dowry. All right, I forgot that I was going to use my stickers. So I tucked a camera right there. I totally spaced it. And I just think something else would would look silly because I kind of finishing touched it. So that's all she got right now. So we're just gonna leave it. I enjoy it. It looks good. I added this tab sticker, but I feel like that seems wasted now because I already wrote the date, so that kind of feels silly, but do I have word stickers somewhere? I'm sure I do. Let's see. We're just gonna put perfect right there. There we go. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And here we'll add love. And I hope you check it out next week. Did I mention that I added more splatters? I showed you some, but I added more. I added some white, added some pretty and pink shimmers, and some Well Blue Me Darn shimmers, and then the black, which is Night Moves, and then that gold too. All right, I'll stop rambling. We'll see you next time.